So today we're going to be planting our sweet potatoes. So we're going to start off with any sort of aluminum tin that you may have at punctured holes underneath so the water could drain. I also have a container here that I'm going to use as a tray. So we'll just place this in here like that. Also make sure you have some moist soil. So you can just make sure that it's nice and moist. And we're going to add the soil onto the tree. Just want a nice level like that. And as you can see, we have our sweet potato here. There's some shoots here already sprouting, which is good. These sweet potatoes we actually just got at our local grocery. So you can do the same if you want to grow your own sweet potato slips. I have another one here. This one does not really have any sprouts yet, but we're going to place it in here and just sort of get it nice and settled in. You can add some more soil around it. You don't want to bury it. You're just really giving the sweet potato some surface area to grow some roots. Okay? So that is it. So if you have a heat mat, you can lay your heat mat out under some grow lights, and we're just gonna add our tray just like that under here. Occasionally you can mist it with some water. The soil is nice and moist, so we will leave it like this and we should see these sprouts growing up.